Risk-based maintenance, Part 2. Creating an inspection plan. If the risk is unacceptable, a plan to inspect the system using a condition monitoring approach is determined. Or, if it is more cost appropriate and technically feasible, a preventative maintenance program might be selected. Propose mitigation measure. At this stage, the proposal for mitigating the risk, using the condition monitoring and maintenance approach, is prepared. Reassessment. Finally, the proposal is evaluated against other factors such as legal and regulatory requirements. If the proposal's needs are not met, then the process starts again. Otherwise, the maintenance proposal is put into place.